Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All. I just wanted to do a little quick update here on the market. We have some action today. Bitcoin hitting around 9,800 this morning. Alright, check out green buy dot we got on June 15th. And you can see that we've done is basically just gone up, guys. So the Swing Trade Pro indicator, I know I keep talking about it, but it is a great tool to have, guys. I think any newbie trader or any new trader, beginner trader, even I would say an advanced trader maybe, would even want something like this to have just an idea, right? So here we go on ETH. Alright guys, a little projection on ETH. Guys, this is not financial advice, and make sure you guys always do your own research. I just wanted to provide my analysis today. Okay, so we haven't even hit the 236 retrace yet on ETH, and that is like roughly around the $375 range. And you can see that on Bitcoin, we just passed the 382, I believe, on Bitcoin. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with what I'm talking about, it is a fib retracement area, okay? Yeah, we are just at the 382 on Bitcoin. And after a bear market, usually the golden retrace zone on any asset, now obviously Bitcoin is not just any asset, Bitcoin's a special asset, as though, you know, it has multiple uses. It's not just a stock, right? So usually after bear market, retrace area that can potentially reverse price action is anywhere between the 382 and the 618. Okay, and you know, obviously we can get into a little bit more details on the technicals later on, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update that we are probably heading towards the next level here of 11,500, and once we break that, looks like we don't really have too much resistance here. We just have this 10,180 to about 11,000 area that is like kind of some resistance, and then you can see our last area of resistance is between 13,500 and I guess you could call it 17,000. So I'd say once we break those two areas, guys, we are going to be making new all-time highs. And I posted some trade setups in my Discord. You could see from this breakout, we're looking at around a 538% move from the break, which was around, I think, 3,550 or 4K or something like that. So I'm projecting that this run on this triangle here run to about 30,000 US dollars on Bitcoin. And for ETH, if we do about the same type of move, we're looking at about $2,000 or $2,100 on ETH. Okay, guys? This is not financial advice. However, these are my projections for this move. Okay. If you guys have any questions about my trading indicators here, or listen, guys, I'm obviously involved into making some passive income too. I run a couple nodes myself. I got a Zencash node. I got a Lynda node that I'm running currently. If you guys need help with those, I can definitely help you guys out. Really, any masternode I definitely can help you guys with. I know there are plenty of hosting services out there today, but for all of you new people that, you know, don't necessarily know what you're doing, or you kind of just want maybe a consultation, or maybe you guys want to earn some passive income on your dollar, you got Nexo providing 6.5% compound interest. I know I covered this in a previous video. And then you also have Celsius.network. They're also providing around 8%, I think, for your dollar today. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick market update here, and stay tuned, all right? We just entered a bull market. We are going to see some crazy gains here in the next 6 months, maybe even longer, maybe another year or two. So I'm going to keep putting out updates for you guys, and make sure you guys just watch the action, man. We got some crazy stuff going on here today. All right, talk to you guys soon.